Maxwell's GF, all with the parents. Looks like they met people they know. REGINA, Gelateria, Nocciola, and chocolate. This one looks like the best one. Here we go. Francesca Bakery. Ah, we got something on your level now. I've been waiting for it. Fantastic. One of the best Nocciolas I've ever had. Out here, Puglia chocolate. Let's see. Looks milk chocolate. They have a fondant one, that's why. I'll definitely be doing, they have like 20 flavors. I'll be doing a few more reviews here. Wow. Nocciola chocolate. Chocolate, a little too chocolatey for me. I like more milk chocolate, but again, to each their own. I got the Nocciola. You have these little cones for the kids. Alright. Cone tits, we're at the beach. Some nice meals. If I was here with some single buddies, we'd make a mess, but family first. Okay. This one's definitely the 9s. Yeah, this is gonna get a solid 94.